Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make use of dried hibiscus or any hibiscus literally. You need hibiscus. You can either get hibiscus from, maybe if you have an hibiscus garden or flowers, you have access to hibiscus flowers, or you can actually buy from the local market, or you can actually just dry it yourself. This is my own hibiscus. You can actually purchase already dehydrated hibiscus. Like this is mine. This is dehydrated already. And yeah, so you're going to be needing hibiscus, obviously. You're needing a bowl. This is you could use any bowl literally. That's why I said it's things you can easily get from your kitchen. A sieve. You can use something smaller. You can use something as big as this, whichever one you have that's convenient. Overall, then you're going to be needing a miller. I know you might decide to switch off now because oh my goodness, I already know what she wants to do. But just stick right in because I have bonuses and tips on how to actually use hibiscus very well for your hair, like to grow your hair. So stick with me right through the video and I'll be giving bonuses on how to use hibiscus. You stuff your hibiscus in this. It's not that difficult. Literally, it's not difficult. These things are not difficult. But why most probably I like you to stay at the end of the video is because you probably enjoy my video and you appreciate what I do, because most of the hair tips I give and everything is definitely something you probably know or I'm always reminding you of. But yeah, so I'm just going to put in the hibiscus, and someone might ask, oh, why should I go through the stress of making hibiscus myself when I can just go ahead and just buy hibiscus powder? Yeah, I know it can be that easy, but how are you sure whatever is there is 100% hibiscus? Most of the times I prefer just doing these things myself. At least I'm sure that whatever is here is 100% hibiscus and not mixed with whatever, because I don't know, people nowadays just mix a lot of things. Even my aloe vera gel, I grow aloe vera at my backyard because I can easily take it anytime I want. I don't really trust 100% that whatever some people sell might be 100% what I need. And this is my hibiscus, okay? So this in this state, I know this is not that much. I'm going to blend in more, but you can see how it is literally. One thing about these hibiscus is it's very good, and it's color. It adds kind of a color, like a hue to your hair, and it brightens your hair. Like if you have dull looking hair, you can turn this into a rinse. I have a video, I'll put in the link somewhere around the screen, of how I use my hibiscus to do like a tea rinse, like a hibiscus rinse, and that should be used weekly or bi-weekly. But one thing I always advise people is do not overuse herbs too much, that you abuse it. Literally, herbs are medicinal and you don't take medicines each and every day, do you? If you start taking Panadol because of headache, your body one way or the other is going to get immune to it and just be like, okay, this is regular. You should try and switch up once in a while, so whenever you use them, it's fresh and new and your body literally it's able to stimulate what it's supposed to do on your hair. If you don't want to go further, you can just immerse this into an oil. You can use this like this literally, but most of the time I don't really like using it like this. I like making sure that it's powder, but sometimes I can be lazy and use it like this. So it all depends on you. It's not compulsory you must turn it into powder, especially if you don't have a miller or a grinder to turn it into powder. But this can be immersed to make hibiscus oil. This can be immersed to make hibiscus. The powder foam is basically so you can add it to make like a deep conditioning mask, which I'll be doing in my next video. I'm going to be showing you how to use this aloe vera, so make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment and tell me ways which you've probably used hibiscus, or if you need any video ideas or if you have any questions pertaining hair growth. So yeah, let's keep on going right into the video. I'm going to blend the remaining hibiscus and change it into this. Always note that you're going to have stains on your hands, and that is perfectly normal. It's just transfer of color from the hibiscus. So make sure to subscribe because I'm going to be showing you how, without going through all this process, you can still get the benefits of your hibiscus. So it's very simple. I just do this to get like a much more desiring, and the funniest thing is you still have your hibiscus, and you can still use it to make something like, a drink, hibiscus juice. It's a healthy drink literally for your hair, your body, your skin. Yeah, there's a whole lot to this hibiscus of a plant, and this is what we are aiming at. It's going to take a while. You don't really need that much, like I said. You can actually, this is enough to even immerse in an oil, but most of the times I just like doing a little bit extra. I think I would have preferred if I use like a smaller sieve, and I'm going to continue with that and just sieve this. Hibiscus powder is coming into. So I'm literally going to continue doing this until I get my desired result. If you can, go ahead and, take your time and grind it more, you get a much more powdery, feel and texture, but it actually makes no much difference. Literally, it doesn't make that much difference, but it all depends on what you want to use it for. But if you're just using it for a basic DIY and not for like producing like massive production or commercial production, this is actually good enough. So this is how much powder I've gotten so far, and I could get more, but literally I could just go one more time blending this. Okay, you can see this. You can actually go one more time to nail it and all, but I'll probably just keep it for another time because this is more than enough for what I need it for. If you need more, you can. If you need more, you can get more. Blend it finer and thinner. Just blend it finer to get more powder. And this is actually more than enough for me to make hibiscus oil and any other thing that I'll be making in my next videos. Once you subscribe, turn on the post notifications, you'll be getting this, so make sure to subscribe. And also, I can actually make use of this. Why I don't want to call this into powder is because I make use of this to make zobo, the roasting juice, or there are a lot of names. It's called solvery by Jamaicans or something like that. I hope I pronounced that right. A lot of people have different names for hibiscus juice, and yeah, leave a comment down in the comment section if you want to see how I make my own zobo, how I make my own solvery, how I make my own hibiscus juice. Yeah, I have a way of making it, and it's very nutritious. It's very good for your hair, your body, like from the inside out, literally. So make sure to like, to subscribe, and make sure to look forward to my next video on how I will be using this powder to make potent hair concoction for hair growth, for massive hair growth. So yeah, make sure to subscribe.